I found that very exhilarating. Through practicing for interviews, from writing the cover letter to tidying up our resumes, and going to various presentations throughout all the residency sites. It was eye-opening. Being able to see professionals come in and talk about their residency sites, especially when new students don't necessarily really know what's going on. It was an enlightening experience. It's fun, it's exhilarating, enjoy the process. You're gonna learn a lot, you're gonna meet a lot of new people. And then once you get into your residency, that's when things start to ramp up. Time management is extremely important, and as students, most of us coming out of undergrad, or those that had gaps in their careers and are now coming back to graduate school, that time management, that balance between being able to fortify mental fortitude is extremely important. It's going to be hard, it's going to be challenging at times, but ultimately, for me, whenever I'm thinking about it and reflecting on my own journey through academia and through work in itself, I think about my future. I think about how am I going to juggle, a family, a mortgage, a car payment, on top of that with a job, and who knows, even more higher education. So this right now is extremely vital for everyone's career and for everyone's life in the future. So I come from a kinesiology background, pre-medical background from undergrad. So what we're learning here as a cohort is very different than what I learned in undergrad. It's how I'm able to integrate it into the work experience. Really is the foundation. The classroom curricula builds that foundation for us to be able to go into our residencies and really understand of what other people are talking about, what other executives, directors are really talking about. That practical experience is one of the things that attracted me to University of Pittsburgh. Not a lot of other programs have this integrated 16-month residency program, while we are also taking classes as well as working and kind of shadowing, if you will, and working alongside with small projects with actual healthcare professionals that have been in the field for a number of years. Coming back into the fall, I'm extremely excited to be able to take what I've learned in my practical experience and take that into now the classroom. As I'm currently doing my residency at UPMC Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh, and I will say that the team is very supportive. That support, the mentorship, the being able to shadow, being able to take on small projects, all of those will help my career trajectory, helping me understand a little bit more about the real world concepts and how it'll help build me up as a young healthcare professional